All right, guys, so the post goes as follows, okay? Drake's meat size has become so overestimated that it's now underestimated.
Drake? Drake?
When the Iceman's ferocious D leaked, it was estimated it was around 8 to 9, which would place him in the top 0.1%. Eventually, OV Hose tried to estimate up to 10 inches, which is the top 0.01%. Drake clearly has an above average D, but it's hard to tell exactly how long it is. It's far more likely it's around 8 inches than around 10. However, in response to the overestimation, I've seen people say it's around 7 inches flat. That's almost certainly not true because the D appears at least 1.5 inches than the iPhone 15 Pro, which is 5.7 inches long. I would estimate fully erect D is anywhere between 7.4 to 8 inches long. This places him in the 99th percentile. One of the biggest in the game, but not the absolute biggest in both categories. All right, so just let's look at these comments too. It says, you need a hobby. There's a comment. This isn't his hobby, it's his life work. And then it says, maybe D analysis is the hobby, LOL. I mean, who would make D analysis a hobby? Ha 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 ha. But today we're going to be discussing Drake, guys. And the reason for this is because with the success of his Iceman album, actually, the size of his D has come into play in not only his lyrics, but also some of the disses that he's been doing towards Kendrick Lamar and other people, for example. And so we're gonna break this all down today. Just how big is he with a more scientific estimate in that post. Also talk about, does he do any kind of augmentation to his D? Just what percentile is he in? We're gonna talk a bit about D shaming, so stick around for this one. Now guys, I once again had to do a significant amount of Drake meat gazing, which, quite honestly, I'm not that opposed to. Hashtag OVO Hink. But seriously, if you like what I do, take a second, hit a thumbs up on the video, consider subscribing because these are taboo topics, guys. You might miss them unless you subscribe. YouTube might never show them to you again, but let's get into it. All right, guys, first we have to address Drake's meat leak.
Someone leaked Drake's Canadian bacon and the whole internet been talking about it. Well, not the whole internet, mostly straight men, okay? I woke up to text messages from my hey, did you see Drake's dick though? Like, hold on, brother. First of all, 6 a.m. in the morning. Like, men have actively sexually appropriated male celebrities' nudes now. Because women were supposed to celebrate today. My timeline should have been females talking about, oh, I'm moist. Drake, let me have it. But it's been men talking about, hey, Drake, he kind of pack it. Like, what we talking about?
So guys, back in like early 2024, his meat leaked. I actually made another video on it if you want to check it out after this one. But I honestly feel like this was intentionally done because he has used it multiple times in his lyrics, in his music videos, even in the way he dissed Kendrick Lamar. It almost seems like it was a strategic leak. In the leak, which if you haven't seen the picture and you want to, Google it. But the fact of the matter is he's laying kind of flat on his back and the angle is coming like your angle, like you're looking at me. And he holds down as basically as low down as he can as possible. And I think it's actually even coming over top of kind of his scrotum and testicles. And then he does little waggly loo with it. It's really odd. It's really odd. I don't know who would enjoy a picture like that. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the leak video. But there's been a lot of speculation about it. And so there's even a post here. This actually has the top of the alleged photo because, guys, all of this stuff is just allegations, in my opinion. None of this stuff is proven. For all we know, Drake has never had a meat leak. He either has like an iPhone 15 or 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max visible. So it's anywhere between 5.7 to 6.3 inches. It's visible in there, and there's like, well, actually, if you calculate the calculus and, the angle of the yaw combined with there's a lot of math that these people try to do around it. But the point is that you do have something in reference. But with all that in mind, I think his D, if you were to look down from the top down, where you should be measuring, not from the bottom up, I think he's probably around 6.5 non-bone pressed. And I think that if you were to include bone pressed measurements, bone pressed meaning you take a ruler and press it as far as you can into your skin, all the way into your pubic bone, which is the most accurate way to measure, I think he's about 7, maybe 7.2. Now when it comes to girth, there's not a great reference. Dude is 6 feet tall, so he's a pretty big dude. I would imagine he has above average size hands. You can't really see if there's any overlap. And guys, I'm not gonna try to meat gaze in that depth to see, well, actually his fingers touch and there's approximately, I'm not gonna do that. But that being said, if I had to estimate, it does look a bit narrow, guys. I would say combining his length, which is well above average, with a girth, I would probably say somewhere around 5 to 5.2 inches in girth, which is definitely above average. But where exactly does he break down on a global scale, guys? Because some of you are like, 7.2 by 5.2, that's not that big, derp. Oh, that's actually small.
Don't do the voice.
Let's take a look at this. This is Calc SD. If you're using a global average, which I am in this, 7.2 by 5.2 puts him at an abnormally large range. He's in the top 99.45 percentile in length and almost the top 90 percentile in girth, guys. So, I'm sure some of you Drake haters, aka Red Maroon, is probably in the comments, no, Drake is tiny. But dude is big. Objectively, he's very big. You cannot take that away from him as much as you want to hate on him. And guys, there's some other photos that I have seen on the internet in this quest, and he's just in sweatpants. If Callie allows me, I'll put it on the screen. If not, sorry guys, it'll be partially redacted. But he's in sweatpants, and you can tell dude is kind of packing. Who knows? He might have even stuffed the sock down there for all we know. But assuming it's him, it's big. Where this first comes into play, in my opinion, is in the Family Matters video, and I'll see if I can play a clip of it here. But he says there's only big D and there's video proof, meaning he's referencing the leaked video. And so it almost seems like he kind of planted that so he could brag about the size of his D, which is, quite honestly, as we saw in Calc SD, abnormally large. But even more recently on his Iceman album, in the video and song for Make Them Pay, he says this. So these dudes are out here measuring their D size in millimeters. And I think there's a couple different ways that you can approach this. The first thing I want to say is that I don't care what it is. I don't care who is your enemy or whatever. I don't think it's cool to make fun of somebody for a physical thing that they, for the most part, can't change, guys. Yes, PE is real, meaning penile enlargement. Guys, if you haven't seen my videos before, check out the other videos and playlists on this channel. But a lot of people don't know that, and a lot of guys don't know that. And so making somebody for having a smaller penis, I don't think that's ever cool. Whether it's girl, guys, whatever, I don't think it matters. However, I think more so than saying, oh, your D is only a couple of millimeters big, I think he's saying that these people with what I would say have low D energy, meaning that they're so obsessed with, whatever it may be, that they're measuring down to the millimeter. I truly think bigger dudes or dudes that are confident are going to measure, by the inches, half inch, maybe quarter inch. And I get it, sometimes even the 1/10 of an inch. But there are some people, honestly, even in the PE space that I've seen that are actively trying to track millimeters. And I'm not trying to throw strays at anybody because very few, but some of the people I actually like and respect their opinion. I just think the dudes that are confident in who they are, they don't need to measure down to a millimeter every day. I just don't think that's necessary. And so I think it's more so about lack of confidence than the actual D size, or just in general kind of neurotic behavior, or small D energy as a metaphor, not necessarily small D shaming. But let me know what you guys think. Do I think this dude's D is potentially augmented? So first of all, let's talk about penile enlargement, okay? Guys, yes, it is possible to get bigger, okay? You don't believe me? Click the link below and check out my Hink trial, where on average, guys grew over a half an inch in length and a quarter inch in girth in 6 months with before and after photos. You can see for yourself, guys, if you don't believe me. And it's using my techniques that I talk about in my enlargement course, where I break down the real science, the real knowledge, the real medical facts about penile enlargement and how to go about it in the safest and most effective and most comprehensive way possible. If you're interested, the code HINK10 will get you 10% off the course. But the fact is that, guys, honestly, I see no evidence of any kind of PE, okay? I mean, some things are less easy to know. If he's just using, for example, an extender, unless he has a visible blister, it really doesn't cause that much in the way of changes. Sometimes, yeah, you can have things like stretch marks, but it's not like you get the discoloration like you would see with pumping. Now, that being said, I see no evidence he does pumping or clamping because though it is kind of a low quality, far away photo, kind of in the shadows, there's no evidence of any kind of discoloration or kind of that ring of the dark staining known as hemosiderin staining around the D. So quite honestly, I don't think he does either of those things. I think that's all him, guys. But going back to the guys in PE that are measuring down to the millimeter, in my opinion, there's just so much that can fluctuate. How much salt that you've eaten, basically water retention, whether or not you have it in the exact same position. Just honestly, sometimes even how much tension you have on there can greatly affect, even down to millimeters or even multiple millimeters. And so I don't know how you can consistently track that. I just don't think that's a good way to go about doing that. Certainly not on a daily basis. I think that's how you get obsessive compulsive about actually measuring enlargement. And guys, even the radiologists that I know, these are guys looking at high definition CT scans and MRIs. They say, yeah, you really can't know if it's around 1 to 2 millimeters. You really can't get down to that much accuracy. Now, do I think he had surgery? Well, guys, I mean, you can see here in these pictures, with his abs, there's a reason why they call him BBL Drizzy. And I just think that is horrendous behavior. But I wouldn't put it past him to have some kind of augmentation procedure to make him a bit bigger. But do I think he had that? Absolutely not. I don't. First of all, his girth, though, once again, he's above average. It's not like, wow, that's a thick hog, okay? What does my life come to? I just made a video talking about Drake's meat and said, wow, that's a fat hog. Anyways, so I don't think he had any girth injections or fillers or anything like that. Now, when it comes to length, he's visible from the bottom. From the feet up is how the image is coming. If he had like a suspensory ligament surgery, which is really the only surgery that you could argue would add like flaccid gains, for example, that his D is a little bit floppy, and so maybe it's a little destabilized, but he's holding it at the base. I don't know. But the point is that no, I don't think he had that surgery. And even if he did, it would not increase his erect length. I think that's all him, guys. I think it's all him. Sorry to the haters that want to maybe think differently, and to like the Drake D writers that, are mad because I didn't say he was 12 inches. Apologize for that too. Not really, but you know what I mean. So in closing, Iceman Turnt, what else? But there you have it about Drake, guys. I mean, dude is big. I don't like that he's incorporating D-size and D-shaming into his lyrics. I hope he doesn't make that a pattern, but that's just me. You guys let me know what you think. Do you think that's cool? Are you Drake fans? Are you Team Kendrick? Do you think this whole beef is just stupid and people should be learning a skill instead of arguing who's the best rapper alive? Because that's what I think. But anyways, guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace and love.
Dr. Hink got the plug on the health, yeah. Got you thinking about your